Hello, guys. Today we are going to the ninth class. So we will start the ninth class science books and technology. Okay. Um, first lesson name is the law of motion. Okay. Where is first lesson? What is the name of? Give me the answer. The law of motion. Okay. The first paragraph we read the motion of an object. In which of the following examples can you see the motion? Are you seeing the examples? Can you see the motion? Yes, so yes, okay. How will you explain pressures and upsides of the emotion? First, first example we there are four example. We will take one wise of the explanation for one option. Okay, the flying of the bird. Bird is flying. Bird is flying there we call we seeing the motion. Okay, second example, a stationary the stationary train is moving in in Hindi language they are called as patri really. So they always going there only, so that's why we call as the motion. They third is third example is leaves flying the through air. um, when when breeze is coming, so the trees leaves are flying the through the air. Okay, so next example is four, a stone lying on a hill. When we see the hill stone is falling down sides, there we will also see the motion is doing the stones. We see the motion of this rival object every day. Sometimes we cannot see the motion of an object directly as the cause of the breeze. Can you list other example of the motion beside those given here? Think about it. You are traveling in a bus. You are going traveling in the bus. Okay, is the person sitting next to you in the motion? One person is sitting one place to another seat, so this also called as the motion. Okay, what do you that into the considerations to decide it and the object is moving or not? You have learned that the motion is a relative concrete. It is a position of an object is changed with the respect to its surrounding. Then it is said to be in motion. Outer which it is said to be at a rest. Next paragraph we read the displacement and the distance. Let's try it. First we will look the let's try it, then think about it. Okay, so first let's try its first paragraph is measure the distance between the points a and b in the different way as the shown in the figure 1.1a. So measure the distance between the point. Okay, so and a and b in the different way as the shown in the figure 1.1. Second point is now measure the distance along the dot line. Which distance is correct according to the u and way? Think about it. Explanation. Think about it. A. Sheetal first went to her friend Sangeeta house on her way to the school. Look in the figure of 1.1. Okay, Sheetal friend is Sangeeta. She went to her friend. Okay, and then go the school. And B point is Prashant went the straight line straight from how to school home to school. Both are walking with the same speed. Who will take less time to reach the school and way? Prashant went to the straight line in the school. Okay, straight line direct, he gone the school. So who will take the less time? Who will take? Sheetal is less time to reach the school because she went first our friend Sangeeta's house and then went to schoolhouse. How? And then Prashant went direct straight line in the school direction. So Sheetal's have a less time to reach the school. Today's we Today we are doing this some one page class. Okay, bye. Tomorrow is the next page class. Okay, online class. Subscribe and like. Okay.